Okay, put it in reverse. That'll help. It's getting over the grass that I'm more nervous about. Getting like up the hill there.
She's good at that. Well, she drives that big car. Oh my God. She's just gonna go up and over.
Yeah, she's gonna go forward and go right between the trees, I think. I think she's trying to back onto the gravel, is she not? Oh. Let's see.
What is she doing?
She's gonna come around and like loop up that way so she can get out of her head. There she goes. Yay! Woohoo!
Get it! Get it! Get it!
Run! She's only slowing down to let you in. Right? Like, oh, that's funny. Yay, Dawn!
Hi, girl.
Bye!
You.
Drive safely.
You too.
Oh my God. You can get...
Everyone's doing this.